All right, so if you have a Tesla Model Y or Model 3, let's change our air filters. There's two of these located right here in this spot. Typically, depends on the model that you have to remove this, which just simply snaps off. Or up here, you have to remove, there's like, I think 4 different levers, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 here. You can pop this out. Either take this off and you could do it that way, or pop this out and then take this off, whichever way your model is. This is a Model Y 2022 Performance. Let's change the filter. Let's see how it goes. So I've seen so many videos on replacing the air filter for your Model Y or Model 3. There's 2 that come in it, and there's 2 different ways to do it. You could snap this off. Some people have tried this, where they take these off first, remove that panel. There's 2 light switches that you unplug. But for me, I have a Model Y, and it was pretty simple. Just take off your carpet and then this snaps right off. And it should be right there. The second one, or the last one, the bottom right there to replace. Let's take it out. And let's set a timer on how long this is gonna take me. I just uncovered this, and now we're gonna take off the screws and put on the filter. Right now we're at 7 seconds, give or take an extra minute to take that cover off. I am filming this with one hand, so bear with me. So here you're gonna just unscrew this part right here. This one on the very end, not these, but this one. All right, and you're gonna go to the left, lefty-loosey. Just be careful to make sure not to lose the screw, all right? And as soon as you take it off, it's pretty easy. Again, don't lose the screw, put it to the side somewhere where you don't lose it. And then you have the air filter right here, right? So it's pointing this way. You wanna make sure you place it back the same way. This one, this kind of little levers, so I'll push it out. And I'll kind of go down a little bit. All right, so before I was grabbing it from here and it was like stuck, just grab it from here, from the center, and it's gonna come out really easy. So right here, it's hitting right here. You could easily take this out. I wanna try to see without. Some people have done it before without it. So let's see if it comes out. And it does. All right, so one came out. On this one, there's 2. Just simply place it, slide it back up. And same method. Again, you wanna make sure when you place it back, arrow's pointing that way. So we're gonna take this out. A little snug. All right, we took both of them out. Here's the old ones, and here are the new ones. I haven't replaced this in over like 3 years or so. As you could see, there's a lot of pet hair in here. Probably can't see it with the camera, but there's a lot of pet hair inside. All right, now time to place the new ones. All right, now that you have your new one, don't forget the arrow is gonna point inward. You might need to use both hands for this. I'm recording with one hand. Yeah, so you're gonna wanna use 2 hands, so I'm gonna put the phone down for a bit and slide this in. All right, so you did need 2 hands, and once you place it in there, remember the arrow is facing inward, and it should slide down. And put that down, and we're gonna place the last one. All right, and then same thing, you just slide it in there. There you go. Everything is in here. Make sure this is tucked in inside nicely. Like this. All right, so both of them are in, and you're pretty much done. You just got to place the cover back on. All right, and once you have that placed, just simply screw it back. Remember, righty-tighty until it's tight. Not too tight, just enough. And there you go. So that's how you replace your filter in your Tesla, whether you have a Model Y, Model 3. People usually take these off. I didn't want to take it off. Would it have made it easier? Yes, but again, you can just 2 hands to slide it right in. You don't have to take all this out, but you can take this out on these right here, but you don't have to. Now we're going to place back the side. And when you're placing this back, just make sure you align the holes to right here. Everyone has one in the bottom, and then just kind of like hit it, and it should snap back in. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is how the bottom looks like, in case you ever wondered. What does the inside look like? Let's put this on. And once you have them aligned, all you gotta do, you hear that? Snack back in, and you're done. You just saved $70 because that's how much Tesla's gonna charge you. The 2 air filters cost me $30. So there you go, you save $70 and you can do it yourself real easy. Let's see how long it took us. about 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. There you go. Hope this helped you.